RAJFILTERS is a 40-year-old company. We started with first trading with wire mesh. Then we started making filters for polymer, plastic polymers. As slowly we turned to the polyester fibers. Our filters are mainly used in spinning and extruders and CPF. Mainly in India, we are one of the largest manufacturer of this kind of filters, and now we are globally also doing a very well. Mainly our filters are compared to the quality, the Chinese are superior. So customer prefer our filter over the Chinese, and now we are doing some OEM for the German companies here, and our filters are now going with the initial plant. Lately we were doing only for the aftermarket, but now our filters are also going with the plants. Initially, from the initial stage also our filters are used. These are consumables, so it is regularly required items. Our main market is the Indian market, and then secondly we are doing globally in Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Turkey, Bangladesh, Saudi Arabia. We are doing Central America, USA, and also we are doing in South America and Africa, lately Africa also.
So I'm sure
Our 50%, 60% to 70% is the Indian market, and 30% we are global export. We are basically a very old company, and now we have a much technical know-how. We know what the use of this product are, and we know the deeply how a small filter can affect your production. So all this knowledge we have gathered, and we can get a better understanding of the customer. And the customer also, after talking to us, he knows that we know the more about the filters and the use. So they prefer us. For Chinese, it is difficult for them to understand the customer requirement. We have a plus point. We understand the customer, and they are competitive, but they are competitive in the price. But we are good in quality and price. So we are in between the European and the Chinese with better quality and a better price. For this, before we were just manufacturing filters. For now, we are also going backwards. We are manufacturing our raw materials. Also, we are manufacturing like wire mesh. Before we used to buy from the market and from other sources, but now wire mesh also we manufacture ourselves. So most of our raw material and quality also we assure, and we can assure that same quality after resale. Sales service is a very good point for us. For global, we are just about 10 years we have started global market, 10 to 15 years. But slowly our company is recognized globally also, and the customers are giving a good feedback, and the word of mouth, they also suggest our company to others in the market, to the other customers also. So slowly we are penetrating better because of our after sales and understanding of the customer requirement is much better than others. Globally, we are appointing our sales representative in the different countries. Like now we have in Turkey and Iran, we have our sales representative, which are looking for a business for together with us. Slowly, we are also looking which are the bigger markets. We will have a representative from our company. And so, to manufacture in other countries is not so economical as we are doing in India. We have a low-cost manpower, and we also have all the products now available in India. So, Make in India is a good option and supply to the world.